Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to work with the Autocard software irrespective of the version you have installed on your system. Like me, I'll be working with the Autocard 2018, and here is the icon. You double click on it and then the Autocard will open. It may take it some time depending on the system you are using, how smart the system is. Now you see it's opened. We have the part that shows recent document, and the other part we have notifications. So what is this recent document talking about? It tells you your recent files, the ones you've worked on recently. So if at all you want to make adjustment or you want to continue in the work, you are not through with it, you want to work more on it, rather than looking for it elsewhere, you just come here, you can easily click on it and continue your work. But for the sake of this tutorial video, we'll be clicking on the get started because we are assuming we are starting Autocad afresh. Now, if you watch this part of the screen, this is the worksheet, and this worksheet is a work page where you are to do all your work. And the good thing about this is that it is never exhaustible. It's not like paper where you do your normal technical drawing and then you see your paper is exhausted, you have to use another paper. No, this one is continuous. It never gets exhausted. And then we have various tools at the top of it here. We have various tools to use. When you place your mouse on each of the tool, Autocad will tell you the name of the tool and then it tells you how it works. And each of these tools will be explained and used in the series of these videos. For today, we'll be working with the line tool, which is this very first one. To do that, we have two ways of using the line tool. We can use it with dimensions or measurement, or we can also use it without dimensions or measurement. In this first case, we are going to do it with dimensions. So let's assume we are getting started here. You right click and right click here. We are going to pick it, say your dimension you are giving is 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. You hit tab and then it will tell you at what angle do you want it to go. You click angle and then you click enter. You see that line is there already. So you can adjust it. You can adjust it this way. Yes, you can adjust it this way. Good. So next, we have this to be 5,000. We are drawing a rectangle, and then we want to take another straight line, and let's say the line is 250, 2,500 rather, because we want to take half of 5,000, 2,500. I'll put it as, I'll click on my keyboard now, tab. It shows me what angle do I want to take it. Okay, I want to take it to be angle 90 because I want it to be straight. Say enter. You see it obeys me and then off it goes. Now the other one, it shows you direct it what the area it should face, whether left or right or whatever how you want it. Now I want it to go again another 5,000 for me. 5,000. I hit tab and then it will ask me again at what angle do I want it. Now I will be going to angle 180, angle 180, and here is what I have with a straight line. Now the last line which will complete my work, I could also come again and say I want 2,000. You see Autocad is already specifying for me already 2,500, 2,500. Then I press the tab key again. At what angle? I want it at angle 90, angle 90, and then I press the enter button. You see, we have used dimensions to create a rectangle. To undo the line command, all you need to do is to click on escape, escape, and you see we have just used dimensions to create a rectangle. Now what we want to do now is we want to do the same rectangle without dimension. Like you go again, you right click on the line command. We want to do like just the way you do it when you are drawing normally on your cardboard, your paper. You just come, okay, the line is straight, you right click again, you draw, the line is straight, you observe it yourself, you draw, okay, the line is straight, you observe it yourself again, okay, you move on, then you hit it here, end point, then you click on escape to undo the command. You see, so this is just an introduction to the series showing you how to draw rectangle with dimensions and without giving dimension. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be rest assured that we have series of these more well detailed that will help you in the use of Autocad software. If you know that you really enjoyed this video or this video added value to you, please hit like button and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for being there. Goodbye.